This is part 2 of the video. Guys, this is really easy. We're just cutting the sod in square pieces with a spade shovel, going down a line, down a second line over here, down this side, and then the lines across. Once you've cut the squares out, we'll show you how easy it is to just pull it right out of the ground. Let's go ahead and watch how Livia cuts one of these squares here. Alright, let's go ahead and pull one up. Here's our first piece. Look, just pulls right on up. We're going to walk it over to our space. And we're going to just drop it right in. That's it, guys. So to prepare for the next spot, this is all you do. You just pull the dirt out of the way till you have a nice flat square shape, or whatever shape you're using with your sod, which is going to be square or rectangular. We're just using a regular old rake to level it out. And you want it to get low so it fits the sod. So dig down a little bit here, get a little ravine there, about the dirt, square it up. Have a look at that nice little hole, that's perfect. Gonna go ahead and continue this process until we've completed it out. So come back over here, keep cutting squares. We're gonna lift them all up, transport them, and stay tuned. We'll show you the final job here of the sod repatch in video 3, and then stay tuned for future videos coming up soon. We're gonna transform this huge garden into a beautiful spectacle, which we're going to use to grow produce for a local farmers market. Say bye.
Bye.
In Italian.
Ciao.